Hi guys, so today I'm going to start Android Setup Wars. Alright, I actually got this from my YouTuber friend Ed, Tech Source, who does Setup Wars for PCs. Shout out to Ed, thanks for that. So what is it gonna be? First of all, I wanted to really give out prizes to people who are really on Android. So our first prize will be the LG G6 that LG gave me for a giveaway. For some reason I wasn't able to do it, but finally I found the phone like a month ago, and we're gonna give it away. That's gonna be our first prize. Now, if you're watching this in the future, the prize may be different. Go ahead and check the Android Setup Wars page at HighOnAndroid.com. I'll make a dedicated menu for it, so hit the menu button and look for Android Setup Wars. That will have the current prize and the current deadline for that month. I'll try to do one every month, Android Setup War. And I'll go ahead and pick the top 5 best setups, Android mods. And obviously the grand prize winner will be the LG G6. And everyone else will win cases, power banks, whatever I can give out that week. And I will try to get some sponsorships for this in the future, if it does get some traction. So how do you enter the Android Setup War? So I don't want you to go out of your way to enter this contest. I don't want you to go out and root your phone, install a custom ROM. You don't need to do all of that. In fact, you don't even have to root your phone. All I'm really looking for is some really good customization on your phone. Whether it's getting rid of the Bixby key and turning it into something really cool on your Galaxy phone, maybe some really cool skin setup, or maybe a really cool custom ROM that no one else is running, such as a Pixel Experience ROM running on my Galaxy Note 9 right now, or maybe a sound mod, you build a stereo mod on your phone. I want you to take up to 5 different mods on your phone, whatever it is. Take a photo of them. Alright, try to take a good photo. I will also base on your camera skills. And try to use the portrait mode if you have it on your phone, and that will make it look good. Or you can even use your DSLR if you want. I won't base everything on the photo. Of course, I'll give more points for the actual mod or your setup. So take 5 photos of your mods, your setup, and also description of the mods you have on your phone. And if you use any kind of custom ROM or mods that's not on the Play Store, then go ahead and put the links that you use also. For example, I use a Pixel Experience ROM. I'll go ahead and link it to the XDA thread. And I also installed the Pixel 2 camera mod. That allows me to use the Pixel 2 HDR enhanced mode. So I'll take a photo of those things. Or something interesting. Alright, so send me up to 5 photos, description of your mods, your setup, alright, links that you use to make this happen on your phone. Of course, the model and the phone you use. For example, I got a Galaxy Note 9 SM and 960 F/DS. And send it to ZEDOMAXX. That's 2 X's, alright? Don't send it to my main email, then you'll be disqualified. Send it to ZEDOMAXX@gmail.com. Alright, that's my second email that I'm going to use for contests. Also, you can include a short video. You can go ahead and upload it to YouTube and send me the link. Or you could just upload it to Google Drive and send me the link to your Google Drive. Either way is fine for me. And I'll try to do this at least once a month, or maybe even every 2 weeks if I have time. But this is going to be our first Android Setup giveaway. Again, if you're watching this in the future, it's just going to be the exact same thing. Just check the prize and the deadline will be different. So for the first prize, the cutoff line is going to be 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, November 15th, 2018. And I'll go ahead and announce the winner. I'll make a video called Android Setup Giveaway Episode 1. That'll be a few days, probably like around the 17th or the 18th. Anybody can enter this. This is open international. And if you do win, I'll send it to you with free shipping. If there's any custom taxes, you do have to pay for that in your country if that is the case. Most of the time that won't be a problem, but if it is, you'll have to pay the customs. Other than that, let's get to it. Again, I don't want you to go out of your way. This is really giving back to those who actually watch my videos, and I want to thank you guys. And for those of you who really mod your phones, I want to reward you for it. And I want to start a new series where we can showcase your mods. And also by doing this, I may learn a lot about new mods that I didn't know before. Anyway, I wish you guys all luck. You can go ahead and begin sending me stuff. You only get 1 entry per Android Setup War. So just send me 1 entry per war, alright? And yeah, have a great day. And as always, stay.
Click here to subscribe.